Cricket fans in Indore have exciting news. A T20 match between India and West Indies will be played on 11th October at the famous Holkar Stadium. The Board of Control for Cricket in India has announced the full schedule for India's 2026-27 home season. This season will be full of action as four international teams, West Indies, Sri Lanka, Zimbabwe and Australia will tour India. A total of 22 international matches will be played across 17 cities. Indore once again gets a chance to host a thrilling international game, bringing joy to cricket lovers in the region. The controversial Vyapam scam is once again in the spotlight. The Supreme Court of India has taken a serious stand and asked the Central Bureau of Investigation and the Madhya Pradesh government for answer. The court questioned what action has been taken on a detailed 320-page complaint filed by former MLA Paras Saklecha. This development has raised hope that the long-pending case may see fresh investigation and accountability. The Vyapam scam has been one of the biggest recruitment and admission scandals in the state. Senior Congress leader and former Chief Minister Digvijay Singh visited Ayodhya for the first time to offer prayers at the Ram Temple. He had darshan of Ram Mandir on Thursday. He was warmly welcomed by Congress workers at Maharishi Valmiki International Airport. After the visit, he met senior Congress leader Nirmal Khatri at his residence. This visit is being seen as politically significant, especially with changing dynamics in national politics. Electricity has become more expensive in Madhya Pradesh. The Madhya Pradesh Electricity Regulatory Commission has increased power tariffs by 4.8%. The new rates will come into effect from April 1st. Different rates have been fixed for domestic, commercial, industrial and agricultural use. However, there is some relief for electric vehicle users. EV charging station will get a 20% discount on electricity usage between 9 am to 5 pm. At another time, 20% extra charges will apply. The move aims to balance revenue and promote electric mobility in the state. A major controversy has emerged over the ASI and head constable recruitment exam conducted by the Madhya Pradesh Employee Selection Board. Candidates have alleged serious irregularities in the examination process. According to them, paper C was conducted one day earlier than scheduled without any mention on the admit card. This caused many candidates to miss the exams. Angry aspirants gathered at the ESB office in Bhopal and submitted complaints. They are demanding that the exam be conducted again. The issue has raised serious concern about fairness and transparency in recruitment. Panic buying has been seen at petrol pumps across Madhya Pradesh due to rumors of fuel shortage. The tension is linked to the ongoing conflict involving the United States, Israel and Iran. In cities like Rewa, people started lining up at petrol pumps as early as 5 am. Long queues and crowding have created chaotic situations. In some places, arguments and disputes have also been reported. Authorities have deployed police to manage the situation. Officials have urged citizens not to panic, saying there is no official shortage of fuel at the moment. Weather in Madhya Pradesh is set to change again. The India Meteorological Department has issued an alert for rain and strong winds from March 27 to 29th. This will be the third weather change in March. Instead of heat, people will experience rain and thunderstorms due to a western disturbance. Regions like Ujjain, Gwalior, Chambal and Sagar division are expected to be most affected. Residents are advised to stay alert and take precautions. The sudden change may bring temporary relief from rising temperatures but could also disrupt daily life.